Olan or Gourd black-eyed bean coconut stew, or Petha Kaddu Lobia Nariyal Masala, a traditional dish served in the Onam feast. Today we are going to make Olan or Gourd black-eyed bean coconut stew, or Petha Kaddu Lobia Nariyal Masala. The ingredients are 300 grams of Gourd, cleaned, peeled and cut into pieces. 3 to 4 green chillies. We have put this as whole. If you want more spice, you can put the green chillies in a split manner. 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves or sweet neem leaves. 1 cup of coconut milk taken from freshly grated coconut, dissolved in water and squeezed. 150 grams of black-eyed bean or lobia soaked in water overnight. Put the black-eyed bean in 1 liter of water. Bring the water to a boil. Put in salt to taste and let the water boil. Now the black-eyed bean added water has started boiling. Let it cook for 45 minutes, and after that check whether the black-eyed bean is cooked and take off the flame. Now the black-eyed beans has been nicely cooked and can be taken off the flame. Heat the pan and put in the Gourd pieces. Put in the green chilies. Put in the rest of the Gourd pieces. Saute and mix, and let the Gourd get heated. Pour in around 75 ml of water. Let the water boil. So we let the ash gourd cook in the boiling water. Close and cook for 5 minutes. Open and stir the ash gourd pieces. After 5 minutes, close. Now open and put in the black-eyed beans into the mixture. Stir and mix the black-eyed beans with the ash gourd. Stir thoroughly so that the black-eyed beans and ash gourd are nicely mixed. Pour in 75 ml more of water. Mix the black-eyed beans and ash gourd in the water. And let it boil. Keep on mixing. Splitting the green chilies and putting them will make the curry more spicy. If you need less spice, just put in the green chilies whole. Put in a little bit more of salt to taste. Mix. Mix the salt into the water thoroughly. close, and cook further for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and stir. Keep on stirring. Pour in 150 ml of coconut milk that we have freshly squeezed from grated coconut. Mix the ash gourd and the black-eyed beans in the thoroughly in the coconut milk. Mix them thoroughly so that the coconut milk is nicely incorporated into the ash gourd and the black-eyed beans or lobia. Mix and let it boil. Now stir and let the mixture thicken. Keep on stirring. Until the mixture becomes thick. Now put in the curry leaves as the mixture has become thickened. Now close for 30 seconds. This is so that the aroma of the curry leaves get into the stew. After that, open and pour in 5 to 10 ml of oil. Close, open, and slowly mix the oil into the stew. Pour in another 10 ml on top and close and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, open, mix. Now the Olan or Gourd black-eyed bean coconut curry or coconut stew, or Petha Kaddu Lobia Nariyal Masala is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final Olan or Gourd black-eyed bean coconut stew or Petha Kaddu Lobia Nariyal Masala. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. This is a traditional dish which is served in Onam festival. Usually the oil that we use in this is coconut oil. Any other oil which is present can be used locally.